Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram video call problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing to make a video call through Instagram app, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to update your Instagram app. Just open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is already up to date, then go back. Just long press on your Instagram app, then click on this I button. In this you can see permission. Tap on this permission. You need to allow the permission for a camera and microphone. Already I have allowed. If in your case it is not allowed, then tap on allow, then go back and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram video call problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.